today we're going to share some important tips for installing DTF film. If your film starts to shift, buckle, or even trigger collision alerts after a few prints, it's usually due to incorrect installation. First, after installing the film holder and the plastic holders, make sure the metal side of the roller bar is on the left side of the machine. When installing the plastic holders, make sure they go through the roller bar correctly, with the wider side positioned toward the edge. Next, install the film according to the arrow direction on the roll. But since the arrow sticker may not always be accurate, it's important to double-check. Watch how the film enters the machine. If it fits in straight and level, you are good. If it fits in at an angle, you will need to adjust it. On the left side, make sure the plastic holder is tight against the metal block, and the film is aligned with the edge before tightening the screws. Do the same on the right side. Keep the film aligned, then tighten the screws. Then feed the film into the machine. Guide the film through the pressure rollers, align it with the start line of the print area, and lower the pressure rollers. If everything looks correct, but the film still shifts, check whether the film is being forced to align with the print line. This often happens when the roll is almost used up. As long as the film itself is straight, there is no need to force it to match the line exactly. And that's it for film installation tips. If you still have any other questions, feel free to contact us anytime.